Hey, it's Chris, and I'm out here at CES, the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, which is, of course, where a bunch of awesome new tech products get launched every January. And if you haven't seen my other CES coverage, either stay tuned or make sure to go check it out. Now, CES is a trade show, which means there's tons and tons of booths from all kinds of different companies, but one of the most impressive presences I've seen out here comes from Alibaba.com, which was nice enough to sponsor this video and let me check out everything that they have going on. So one really cool thing about Alibaba.com is that if you want to become an entrepreneur and create your own consumer tech product or other type of product, they can help you establish that business and get your product sourced and set up and ultimately sold. In fact, Alibaba.com's on a mission to make it easy to do business anywhere. They serve millions of wholesale buyers and suppliers from over 220 countries and regions around the world, and they're helping businesses around the globe become leaders in global trade innovation. So what they have to offer to small and medium-sized businesses is really cool, and I got to see some great examples of products that people had not only dreamed up, but actually turned into a reality with some help from Alibaba.com. And actually, I got to meet a couple of cool entrepreneurs who told me a little bit about their experience working with Alibaba.com, like Chelsea from the Abingdon Company, who decided to create a watch company for female pilots and all sorts of adventurous women. Check it out.
My business is the Abingdon Company. It's watches, adventurous watches for adventurous women. I started it because I was a pilot and I was learning how to fly and I wanted a pilot's watch for ladies, but they didn't make anything for women, so I started making them. Now we do dive watches, watches for women who race. My biggest passion right now is getting women into these fields, sailing, fighting, getting into the military, being law enforcement, flying airplanes, jet skiing, just having fun, you know, enjoying life.
Awesome.
Totally.
How did you get started with Alibaba.com and why?
I got started with Alibaba.com because when you're 22 and you have never manufactured anything in your life and all you have is a laptop, you just go to Google and you start searching watch manufacturers, and the first thing that came up was Alibaba.com. So I clicked on that, started searching watch manufacturers all over the world, found the most amazing manufacturers that I still use and still do business with today, and that's honestly how it all started.
So what is the one thing that you can't live without from Alibaba.com now?
The app. I love the app. It's so easy. I mean, like when people are bored and they search Facebook or Instagram, I'm on the Alibaba app. I'm shopping for products.
And I also got to meet Mike, who created an iPhone case company called iPatch Cases, which lets you slide a cover over your camera for better privacy, which is pretty awesome.
My name is Mike Sorrentino. My company is iPatch Case. We make a phone case with a sliding lens cap. It also cleans the lens.
So what got you started working with Alibaba in the first place?
I did not have the resources to go and weed out manufacturers and find the right place. Alibaba, for me, is the democratization of manufacturing and opens up the world of entrepreneurship to people that I would not have been able to create a product if I didn't have that resource.
So what's it like for small and medium-sized businesses working with Alibaba.com?
It's really easy. Be honest, you know, it's not like they hammer everything down in your face and throw it up and spam you with things. It's really simple. It's just like, what do you need? Okay, I need to make a phone case. Okay, search it, find it. They're like a trusted bank when you're dealing with a currency you've never dealt with before.
So what's the one thing that you've liked working with Alibaba.com? This like one hack or one awesome thing about it that you can't live without now?
Trade assurance is the thing. To bring a product to market can be expensive, tens of thousands of dollars in the end. So without the assurance of some sort of a, you know, assurance that I'm going to get my money back in case the product is faulty or they don't deliver on time, I mean, to be honest, that's the number one thing on Alibaba that I need and require, and it helps me. It gives me peace of mind.
So all in all, I really enjoyed getting to check out the Alibaba.com booth and all the different vendors that they work with here. Met some really cool people, saw some really interesting products, got kind of inspired. Like, I would love to dream up a product and make it happen with something like Alibaba.com. And if you fit into that category, if that's something that you want to do, then make it happen using the link down in the description, which will take you to Alibaba.com so you can get started on your own product journey. All right, thanks for watching today, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later.